Welcome to the garage. So right now we will perform the test using the TS508. I will show you how to read the information directly from the sensors. We will perform even the test using the OBD cable, and we will be able to make a comparison what IDs are read directly from the sensors and from the system. So we will be able to compare these IDs. Finally, we will perform even some programming for a specific hour sensor, and we will see everything what is required to see. So let's have a look. So now, first of all, what we do, it will be the quick mode check. So I have selected already quick mode check. I will press the key yes. We will enter. Here we have a list of all the brands that are supported by our tool, and I have already found AUTEL, and we can of course press a key button to search another one, another brand. So I will show you how to. It's so easy to use the tool, so no problem. Okay, select the AUTEL and Vauxhall. Right now we have a Astra K, so I confirm. There is an information about the production period, so it's from 2015 up to 2020. Even we have information regarding to the frequency of the sensor what are used. So in this case we have 433 megahertz. I select with a key yes, and right now we have some other options. So we can scan all the sensor. We can scan one sensor, we can program one sensor, relearn procedure, and sensory information. So in this case, I will just want to check only this wheel. So I will select one sensor, so a single sensor scan. Okay, yes, and I put the tool close to the sensor, and I click yes to trigger it. As you can see, the reaction of the sensor is almost done immediately. We can see all the information, so regarding to ID of the sensor, the pressure inside the tire, and the temperature, and even the voltage. So we can see the sensor works okay, and there is no any problem with this wheel. Of course, we can make another thing. I will press no to exit, and we can scan all the sensors. So I will select it. Okay, the software is asking me, should it cancel the previous procedure? I can select yes, of course, and we will start from the left front wheel. So let's go. Have you seen last screen? There was a question, do we want to see the status of the sensors? If we will press yes, we can see all the information regarding to the sensor. So ID, temperature, pressure, and even the state of life of the battery. So it is really useful to use it. The tool is giving us also the possibility to check the system inside the car. So we are able to compare this information with the information taken directly from the car, so read from the system of the TPMS. Let's do it, but we have to change the mode how we will use it, because we use at the moment quick mode. To make a comparison between these two values, we have to select advanced mode, so I will show you right now. I've read all the sensors once again. Right now the tool is asking us to connect the OBD cable and to connect to the car, just to have a diagnostics. So let's go and have a look. The tool shows us information. Please connect OBD and turn ignition on. So the OBD cable is just connected already. The ignition is on. So I can confirm clicking yes, confirming, And right now we are starting the communication with the vehicle. The diagnostics has been finished. Right now we receive the information that ID, reads, and even DTC are read successfully. So please OK. And right now we can see, take a look, that we have discovered, we have scanned the sensors, and the position even of the sensor is OK regarding to the car. If we will just press the key, we can select each sensor to take a look, or we can just press right now yes, just to see the ID what are read directly from the sensors and from the ECU. So we can see that the left front wheel, this is the reading what we did with a tool, and this is the reading done by the OBD. So we can compare even the positions of the wheel. We can see that they are exactly in the correct positions. If we will press key, if we will press arrow in the right side, we can enter the other screen where are presented the pressure, temperature, and the battery state. So in this case, we can see that we have a complete diagnostics. So the use of the tool is really easy. It can read the sensors, it can read even the DTC, so make a diagnostics of the sensors using the OBD cable, and it can program our sensors. Let's have a look how to do it. Now I will show you how to program a sensor to the car. So I will select the quick mode, I confirm, I just selected the car. So in this case it will be Astra K as previously, the production period. And I have here program sensor, so I will use this function. Okay, and we have some options. So copy by activation, copy manual input, auto create. This time I will use manual input. So I selected correct option and I will confirm. Right now I can read directly from the ECU or from the original sensor the ID. So in this case I will just put some informations. So right now the tool is asking me, do I want to program the sensor? Do I want to save this ID to the sensor? Of course I will use our sensor. I have to place it right here to the bay, and I will select yes to program it. So let's see. First of all, the sensor has to be discovered, and right now the system is programmed. As you can see, the programming is really fast. I just confirm. Everything is done. So right now we can see the ID, what is given directly from our tool to the sensor. PSN is a serial number of the sensor, and other values. So we've done. As you can see, the programmation of the key is really fast. So there is not a bigger problem, and we have a perfect tool for sensor programming, sensor reading, and diagnostics of the TPMS sensor. Thanks for watching, and let's go to another.